Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two essential grooming accessories. Get ready to witness the ultimate battle between Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR and Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR comes in at $32, while the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades will only set you back $24. Looks like Product B takes the lead in the budget department. Save those extra bucks for a fancy latte. Now, let's talk hygiene. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR boasts an alcohol-based cleaning solution that not only cleans your shaver but also provides optimal hygiene. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades come with a coated blade that reduces razor burn and rounded tips to protect your precious skin. It's a tough call, but we'll give the point to Product A for its hygiene superpowers. The sweet smell of victory. Product A, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR, brings a refreshing lemon scent to your shaving experience. Who doesn't want a zesty kick to start their day? Unfortunately, Product B, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades, doesn't offer any fancy fragrances. Sorry, Product B, but we're giving this point to Product A for turning shaving into a citrusy delight. It's time to put these products to the test in the performance category. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR promises to clean and lubricate your shaver, ensuring the best performance. Meanwhile, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades deliver a fast, clean shave, even allowing you to use them wet or dry. Both products bring their A-game, but we have to give the point to Product A for its dedication to maintaining peak performance. When it comes to longevity, Product B, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades, takes the crown. With two blades lasting up to 8 months, you won't have to worry about replacing them frequently. Product A, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR, recommends a cartridge replacement every 2 months. Sorry, Product A, but Product B wins this round with its long-lasting blades. In summary, online reviews for Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR highlight their effectiveness in cleaning and maintaining electric shavers. Reviewers praise the convenience, cost-effectiveness, and pleasant scent of the cartridges. On the other hand, reviews for Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades emphasize their longevity and superior shaving experience. Users with sensitive skin appreciate the close shave and lack of discomfort. Overall, both products have their unique strengths, and it's up to personal preference to decide which one suits your grooming routine. And there you have it, folks. In this epic battle between Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR and Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades, both products showcase their unique strengths. Product A impressed us with its hygiene and performance, while Product B won us over with its price and durability. It's up to you to decide which features matter most for your grooming routine. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we always have your back when it comes to making smarter purchasing decisions. Happy grooming, everyone!